Okay, today I would like to review a laptop. It is a Macbook White 2010, which is I review now in 2020, September 9, 2020. And I'm telling you that this laptop has been upgraded. And I'm also going to show you what kind of upgrade that the laptop has made. Okay, so let's have a look at my laptop, Macbook White. Okay, so I think the body is still pretty good. You can see, and there is what is this? It is a electricity adapter, and there is two USB 2.0, and then headphone, and also this one. Okay, so everything is fine except the rubber. It's not attached anymore. So so it's still streamlined, and this production is good. And we also have a DVD RW. So I think it's pretty old, so it's almost 10 years, so 9 years, almost 10 years. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Now this is the inside of the Macbook White 2010, middle 2010, and you can see that it's in a good shape. It's in a good shape, and so everything is in a good shape. It's good. And let's turn this on. I turned this on. Okay, let's see how many minutes or how many seconds from the stop until it runs. So I'm telling you that it has been upgraded for several parts. Number one is the software update. Number two is the hard drive upgrade, and number three is the, what is that? So I think two things. So hardware memory upgrade. I got a memory upgrade from 2 gigabytes into 8 gigabytes, and then from 1 terabyte hard drive into 240 gigabytes SSD, and also what is that? A software update, so operating system update. So I couldn't do it by myself, so somebody did it for me. Okay, so let's have a look, and the screen is still amazing. So that's the thing that I like from Apple MacBook, is the screen, the high quality screen, and the trackpad's also still smooth. So I don't use it every day, so maybe I use it for a few hours in a week. So a few hours or some hours in a week only. Okay, for almost 10 years. Okay, so let's have a look at the specification. And before coming to specifications, I think all of the conditions here are still good. So the build quality is still good until almost 10 years and still reliable. So it hasn't been cleaned when the video is reviewed. So it's whatever it is. So I haven't done anything before the video review, so it's still honest whatever it has. Okay. And this is the software update from the what is that? I don't remember, but there was a picture of the tiger and snow leopard, and then it has been upgraded into OS 10 El Capitan. Yeah, I think last year. Yeah, so last year, at the beginning of last year, it was updated, it was upgraded. Yeah, yeah. So actually 12 up to 16 months ago. Yeah. Okay. And the display, built-in display, 13.3 inch, 1280 up to 800. The resolution is comparatively low. Yeah, so only 1280 up times 800, which is low for this, for 2020. But you can see that my eyes can see it nicely. So it has a amazing screen. Yeah, and it's also equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce 320 256 megabytes. Yeah, okay. And you can see the storage, it has been replaced by 240 gigabytes SSD. Yeah, 16 months ago. Yeah, okay. The memory also has been upgraded from the original 2 gigabytes into 8 gigabytes. The battery is still pretty good. Yeah, so although it's not as energy consuming as before because it has been upgraded into 8 gigabytes, so the battery runs a little bit faster, but it's still okay. And this is the power adapter. Yeah, you can see it's pretty big, and yeah, it's pretty big, but still in a good condition. But be careful with the cable, because, and I'm not sure that this thing is available everywhere, so I have to be careful with this. Yeah. And the performance of this laptop, yeah, so I think you guys, because the screen is really good, so there is no point that I throw away this laptop, because the screen is number one. So the screen is one of the reasons why I upgraded into this laptop. Yeah. And the second one is the trackpad. The trackpad is still smooth, so I think this is the one of the most smoothest and the best trackpad that I ever tried. And also the keyboard is really good, but I do not recommend this keyboard to be used for Microsoft Office. Yeah, because Microsoft Office will be best used when you use what is that, Windows, not in the MacBook. Yeah. And the performance, of course, because of the the several reasons, so that's why I upgraded this laptop from the first that I bought it in the middle of 2010. At the end of 2010, it was 9.3 million rupiahs. Yeah, so 9.3 million rupiahs. Yeah, in IDR. Yeah, and I upgraded in the last 2018, 2.3 million rupiahs. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so 9.3 million rupiahs, if it is converted into dollars right now in 2020 September, so it's around 675 US dollars. Yeah, at the time in 2018. Yeah, and it was upgraded for 2.3 million rupiahs, and is around 200 around $175 US dollars. So totally right now, yeah, so totally right now is around 800 US dollars. Yeah. Okay. But what is my experience when using this after being upgraded? So I think it's really good. Yeah. So you can see here that okay, the process is pretty fast, and also we use this one. Yeah, so it's pretty fast, and yeah, and still reliable when you want to use it for office. Yeah, yeah. Although it's actually started in 2010, almost 10 years, but after a few upgrades, so it's becoming good. Yeah, and also we have photos, the quality of photos. The quality of photos that we have is good. It's very good. Okay, the quality of photos that we have still good, still clear, pretty, although it's not full HD. Yeah. Yeah, it's natural. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, and there's also okay, so it's the quality or the screen is very good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Although it's not full HD. Yeah. Yeah. Still very good. Okay. This is the quality of the audio. Okay, this is another song from Gregorian. And let's check the quality of the sound. Yeah, although it was in 2010 production, but the quality of the sound is, I can say, is still good until now for almost 10 years. And this is the original drive, the original hard drive for the Macbook White. You can see the specifications. This is the specification of the hard drive that has been replaced by the SSD, but I was suggested to keep it, yeah, in order to, if one day the laptop is going to be sold. And then when we check with the iMovie, and it's still reliable. Still reliable. You can use this for video editing in 2020. Yeah, but it must be upgraded. And the result is, yeah, it's satisfactory. Still pretty quite satisfactory so far. Yeah. Okay, so this is my review of MacBook White 2010, upgraded in late 2018, and now it's used in 2020, and it's still reliable until now. The sound quality is still good, the speaker is still good, the screen is still amazing, and yeah, but we have to upgrade, yeah, to up to date with the speed that the application right now are using. So in conclusion, I'm really satisfied with this product. I have no affiliation with with the producer, but so far, yeah, I can use this product for almost 10 years and still okay until now. Yeah, so everything is still okay. Yeah, except only this one. Yeah, this is easily falling apart. Yeah, but the other thing, and it's not really hot. Yeah, still okay. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you on the next video. Okay, thank you.